ठीक है, start करें? Yeah. Yes, good morning everyone. So online students, guys, hope it is loud and clear to all. If yes, then just let me know in the chat box and we can start. Yes. Yes, online students. Guys, shall we start the class? All right, Mohammed, Samir, okay, and Pratyusha. Yes, guys, so good morning everyone. And friends, today we have the third class of time and work topic. And based on your multiple requests, we have increased the number of classes in this month, right? Earlier we had 3 classes only, like in the first week, but based on your request, we have increased the number of classes. And now we will be covering the most of the classes in December only, right? So that we'll get the maximum syllabus in this year only, right? So with new year, we'll have the maximum syllabus, fine. And I have shared the schedule in the Telegram channel, that's CSAT Thinkers and UNGIST Telegram channel, right? So please check the schedule over there. And guys, those who are watching it over YouTube, I have once again, like I have requested it so many times, and once again I'm requesting it to please share the classes with as many friends as you can, so that most of the students will get the benefit of those classes, right? I mean, if you are finding the values in these classes, because I'm getting very good comments of you guys like, sir, you are doing a fabulous job or whatever, right? But you guys are not sharing it. So please share with your friends, because मुझे लगता है कि अगर 2 लाख सब्सक्राइबर नहीं होंगे तो नंबर सिस्टम नहीं पढ़ाया जाएगा, right? So number system will be taught only when the subscribers are 2 lakhs, right everyone? ठीक है, so it's up to you. So kindly please share these classes with as many friends as you can, right? So let's start with today's session, guys. Today we have the concept with us, that is MDH formula. Everyone, MDH formula, right? MDH formula says M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2, right? It means what? MDH, the product of MDH, M stands for men, men means worker. I mean, here W does not stand for women, right guys? Okay, so M stands for men, men means number of workers, D stands for days, H stands for hour, and W stands for work. So the ratio of the product of MDH and W, right? MDH by W is always constant, right everybody? Because M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. And guys, you know what? This formula is very practical, right? This formula changes with the language of the question, right? As we are actually changing our characters with the time, right? So this formula also gets changes with the language of the question. I mean, for example, in question, hours is not given, suppose that, right? Then this formula becomes M1 D1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 by W2. And suppose that work done is also same, right? In both the scenes, in both the conditions. So this formula becomes what? M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. Right everybody? So today we are going to see so many applications of this concept, right? So let's talk about some questions based on it. So the first question is very simple, guys. Just read this question, take the values and put all the values and get the answer. That's it, right? Just tell me the answer, guys, if you can. Okay, tell me the answer if you can. Yes. Yes, all of you? Tell me the answer if you can. So very simple question based upon M1 D1 H1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2, right? Just tell me the answer. It's very simple question actually. Yes, guys. See, here 10 men. So this is M1, right? 20 twice, this is W1. 3 days, this is D1. Working 12 hours per day, this is H1, right? Then in how many days, which means D2 has been asked, 24, this is M2. 32 twice, this is W2. Working 4 hours, this is S2, right? Everything has been given to you, right? And D2 we need to find. So just put in the formula M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2 and get the answer. And tell me the answer, guys. What is the answer?
9.
9? Okay. I'm getting one answer as 9. Everybody, one of your friends saying the answer is 9. Can you confirm the answer? 6. Okay, one of the answer is 6. Everyone, tell me what's the answer? 6? Getting 6? Okay. Pandey ji, what's your answer? कर रहे हैं? कर लीजिए, कर लीजिए, कर लीजिए. क्वेश्चन तो बुक में लिखा हुआ है ना, क्वेश्चन क्यों लिख रहे हैं आप? अच्छा, ठीक है, 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 ठीक है. बताइए, आंसर बताइए. नहीं नहीं, ठीक है. पांडे जी थोड़ा जज्बाती हैं क्वेश्चंस के साथ. तो उनके जज्बातों के साथ जो है, यस यस, बिल्कुल सही. Yes, everyone. Hanji. Guys, I'm getting the answer as 6. Can you confirm the answer, please? How? 6. Okay, let me check the answer. M1, D1, H1. M1 is 10, D1 is 3, H1 is 12, W1 is 20. Is equal to M2 is 24, D2 has been asked. H2 is 4, W2 is what? 32. Everybody, right? Okay, so do one thing. This is 12, 2s are this, right? And this is 4 8s are this, right? 2 4s are this, right? 4 into 5, right? 5 2s are this, and 3 into 2 is 6. So D2, 6 days. Everyone fine now? Right? The answer is 6 days. Okay, friends? Right? All right. The simple question, guys. Right? But in the examination, the question won't be like that. Okay? This was just an introductory question. Friends, any doubt? Sharing, it's fine? Okay. Everybody, clear now? Shall we move? Okay. Now, friends, we have solved this question yesterday. Do you remember this question? Guys, please. We have solved this question. Do you remember? Just read this question. Huh? Just read this question. We have solved this question yesterday. Answer is 6 days. Alright. Guys, we have solved this question yesterday. The answer was 6 days. So, we all know how to solve this question with efficiency and ratio concept. Yesterday we have solved this with ratio of efficiency and workers. Right? Yesterday we have solved this question. Now we need to solve this question with the help of MDH formula. Everybody okay? Right. So in MDH formula, if here W is same actually. Right? Just read the question. The question is saying 45 men can complete a piece of work in 16 days. They start the work and after 6 days 30 more men joined. In how many days the rest work will be completed? Right? So everyone, just think on it. Here, 16 into 45. 45 men can complete the work in 16 days. This is the total unit of work, right? It was started with, 45 men started working on it and they worked on 6 days, right? After that, 30 more men joined. It means now 75 workers are working on it. For how many days they will do the work? Guys, it is clear. So here, this formula takes the shape of what? M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2, right? Because H is not given in the question and W is same, right? So this formula takes the shape of M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. Everybody clear? So if you take this value here, this will be subtracted obviously. So 45 will be taken common, 16 minus 6, right? 45 into what? 10. Right? I mean, see, if you take 45 common, you will get 16 minus 6, correct? This will be coming here. Agreed everyone? Right. So, I'm just removing this. So, 45 into 10 is equal to 75 into D. Guys, yesterday we have solved this question in the similar manner. Just look at that. I mean, 45 divided by 75 into 10 is equal to D, right? So, this is 3:5. Yesterday we have written the ratio of the efficiency as 3:5. Do you remember that? And this was cancelled with this, and we have got the answer as 6. Do you remember it, guys? Right? So this, yesterday we have solved this question with the thought process, right? And today we are using the concept, we are using the formula. So all the formulas, they are actually derived from your thought process only. Getting it, guys? Right? Please. So the answer is what? The answer is 6 days. Right? Yeah. Exactly, you can solve those questions like this also. Yes. I'll show you the type of questions that can be used, that can be solved with this process. Okay? Yes. आते हैं अभी आते हैं हाँ बिल्कुल सही right okay Pandey ji wants the formula for all the questions. Yes. No, I'm not saying anything. Yes. Guys, is it fine now? Shall we move? Huh? Okay. After that, guys, just read this question. Or wait, let's talk about the question that has been asked in the examination, right? Just read this question. And I'll show you the UPSC question also, right? Question is, there is a sufficient food for 300 men for 32 days. After 29 days, 210 men leave the place. For how many days will the rest food last for the rest of the men? Everyone, just think on it. Total quantity of the food will remain same, right? So it was 300, it was food for 300 men for 32 days. This was the total quantity of food, right? This was consumed by 300 men for 29 days, correct everybody? After that, 210 men leave the place, which means 90 are left. So now, initially 300 men were consuming that food, now 90 people are consuming that food. For how many days they will consume the rest of the food? This is the question. Everybody clear with this? Now, if you take this here, 300 will be common, 32 minus 29 will be 3, right? So this is 300 into 3, that is 900 actually, and it is 90D. So guys, this is 10, right? Okay. So the rest food will last for 10 days, guys. Everyone fine now? Clear? So just talk about some UPSC questions also. एक बार आप इसको note करिए. I'll show you some UPSC questions also. Right? Okay. Yes friends, some UPSC questions based on it. Yes, all of you. Question number 1, page number 273. Guys, question number 1, page number 273. Everyone? You just share the question. आपके पास 2 बुक हैं तो एक इधर दे दीजिए आदित्य उधर देख लीजिए. Question number 1, page number 273. Guys, got the question? Page number 273, question number 1. Yes, everyone? Got the question?
In such cases, if it is given 1 mark,
1 month will be considered as 30 days. In ideal scenario, 1 month would be considered as 30 days if nothing extra has been given to it, right? Yes, everybody? Guys, you know what? This question is actually so simple. While reading the question, you can solve the answer. I mean, you can tell the answer. Seriously बता रहा हूँ आपको. आप इस question को पढ़िए और question solve हो जाएगा. Just read the question thoroughly. Don't use the pen, guys. Just read the question. Read the question. Read the question. 10 days? Okay. Just read the question, guys, and it will be solved. Yes, everyone? Just read the question, it will be solved. Don't solve it.
Days.
10 days? Okay. Yes, everyone? Guys, just look at the language of the question. Right? Just look at the language of the question. The food was for 1,000 soldiers for 1 month, 1,000 into 30. After 10 days, now you please tell me one thing. After 10 days, I mean 1,000 soldiers consumed it for first 10 days. It means now if 1,000 soldiers will continue, they will consume the rest food for 20 days. Correct? So it was for 1,000 soldiers, the food was for 20 days. But now how many are consuming it? 2,000. So for 1,000 it was for 20 days. So for 2,000 it will be for 10 days, half. Getting it? If manpower gets double, right? So for 10 more days the rest food will last. Getting it, everyone? So just by reading the question you can solve this. Okay? And after that, if you don't want to solve by thinking, you can solve it by process. The process is what, guys? I'm doing it here. So for 1,000 soldiers, the food was for 30 days. 1,000 soldiers consumed it for 10 days. And then 2,000 soldiers are there. For how many days they will consume the rest food? Right? Guys, if you take it here, so 1,000 will be common into 20. So this is 2,000 into D. So guys, this is 20,000, this is 2,000, right? So this is D. So for 10 days, the rest food will last. Yes, guys, clear? Okay, so this is the process. By the way, you don't need this, you just read the question carefully and the question will be solved. Right? So this was UPSC question that came in 2013, guys. Okay. All right. Shall we move, guys? Friends, we have studied what? Time and efficiency ratio. Question number 8 of UPSC CSAT 2024. Question number 8 was asked in 2024, guys. This is the very recent question. Just read the question. Page number 273, question number 8. Just read that question. Question says, a certain number of men can complete a piece of work in 6K days, where K is the natural number. By what percentage should the number of men increased so that the work can be completed in 5K days? Everyone? आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ सोचना है. आप पहले ये बताइए कि what should be the convenient way to solve this question? क्या करें? वो ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है. हाँ, देखिए guys, K is the natural number question is saying. हाँ, क्या लिखा हुआ है? K is what? K is the natural number. So when the question says K is the natural number, just take the least value of that variable. What is the least value? 1. Assume K as 1. Right. Now everyone, just tell me the date of this question. क्या लिखा हुआ है बताइए. This is CSAT 2024, right? Just tell me the data of the question. क्या लिखा हुआ है? A certain number of men completes a work. Usually, I am assuming K as 1, right? Guys, कभी भी K और X और ये वो सब मत करिए, right? You just take K as 1. So usually some number of men are doing some work in 6 days, right? What do you want? What is required? Required is 5 days, right? Guys, this is the number of days, means if ratio of the time, right? So efficiency would be what? Guys, so usually the efficiency was 5. Required efficiency is 6. So 1/5. 1/5 is what? 20%. Guys, you should increase 5 by 1, right? So increment is what? Increment is 1/5. Increment of 1 with respect to 5. Increment of 1 with respect to 5. By 1 will be increased by what value to become 6? Right? 1 को कितना मतलब 5 को कितना बढ़ाएं कि वो 6 हो जाए? 1. तो 1 जो है वो 5 के रिस्पेक्ट में क्या है? 20%. Everybody. Right? Guys, getting it? This was the question. Clear? Simple question. Right? एक बार क्वेश्चन पढ़िए जरा अच्छे से आप. Just read the question. Just read the question. Yes, everyone? Guys, it is clear? Any doubt? All right, good. Okay. Any confusion to anyone? No? So this was CSAT 2024 question. Guys, just look how much time does it take. Right? How much time does it take? Hardly 30-40 seconds, not more than that. Right? Provided you should be knowing, like you should be thinking in a smart manner. The last part, 5. See, this is the ratio of the time. So ratio of the efficiency would be reverse of it. So that would be 5:6. So usually the efficiency is 5. The required efficiency is 6. So 5 is increased by what to become 6? So 5 is increased by 1. Now question is 1 is what percentage of 5? 1 is what percentage of 5? Right? So this is 1 by 5 into 100. So that is 20%. Clear? Okay. Yes, online students, guys. Those who are sitting online, friends, it is clear. Those who are sitting online, guys, it is clear now. Okay. Shall you move? Vishali, it's clear, right? So this was UPSC CSAT question. Right? So, आपको एक चीज समझ में आ रही है, questions are not tough. We are not thinking in right direction. Right? We are not thinking in right direction. Questions are simple. Okay? Shall we move to the next question, guys? Okay, चलिए. Yes, guys, इसको आप करिए जरा. And tell me the answer. Everyone? Tell me the answer, guys. Yes, all of you. Tell me the answer, please. Okay. Yes, all of you. What's the answer? 10? Everyone? 10? Check कर लीजिए. See friends, the question is saying there is sufficient food for 400 soldiers for 31 days. Okay. 400 soldiers, 31 days. after 28 days, after it means 400 soldiers consume it for how many days? 28. Now 280 soldiers left, it means 120 remaining, right? Everybody, it is clear now? If you take this here, then 400 into 3, correct? 400 into 3 is what? 1200, and this is 120. What is the answer? 10. So D is equal to 10 days. The rest food will last for 10 more days, guys. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. The rest food will last for 10 more days. Friends, any doubt, any confusion, any query? Anyone in the class? No? Fine? Clear? Okay. ठीक है. After that, now let's move to the next question, friends. देखिए जरा. हटाऊं से? Everyone, shall I remove this? The next question. देखिए, all of you. Here, just look at the question first. Here the question is saying there is sufficient food for 1600 soldiers for 50 days. And each person consumes 900 grams per day, right? After 40 days, 400 soldiers left the camp. For how many days the remaining food will last? If now each one consumes 1000 grams per day, right? So guys, the quantity of food will remain same both the sides, correct? So just equate the quantity of food like 1600 soldiers for 50 days and each one is consuming 900 grams per day. This is the total quantity, right? So 1600 consumes for 40 days. 1600 consumes 900 grams per day for 40 days. After that, 1200 soldiers are left and now they are consuming 1000 grams per day. For how many days the rest food will last? Clear, everyone? Right? Now, if you take this value here, so 1600 into 900 will be common. 10 is left, 50 minus 40, right? So 1600 into 900 into 10 is equal to 1200 into 1000 into D. Guys, okay? Right. So here, first of all, just look at this 20, 20 and 10. 5 zeros. So 5 zeros are cancelled. Correct? Right? After that, 16 into 9 is 144. 12 is the answer. 144 by 12, this is 12. So D is equal to 12 days. Everybody okay? Right? All right. Yes, everybody? Is it clear? Right? Okay. Guys, any confusion, any query? Anyone in the class? Clear? Okay, let's move to the next question. But before that, next question is this. But before that, I want to discuss the question that we have left. This was the question, right? This question we have left actually, right? So everyone, just read that question. The question says, a builder decided to build a farmhouse in 45 days. He employed 150 men in the beginning and after 20 days, 30 more, and 120 more after 30 days, 120 more. and completed the construction in the stipulated time. If he had not employed the additional men, how many days behind the schedule the work would have been finished? मुझे ये बताइए, what exactly this question is trying to ask? That is okay, ये ठीक है. कैसे start करें? How to begin this question? Yes, everybody. How to? Huh? हाँ, the days are same. See, actually हुआ क्या है? Situation ये है कि एक contractor है, he took one contract to build a farmhouse in 45 days. So he employed कितना? 150 men. He employed 150 men on the project, right? So they were working on it. After 1 month, he just did a inspection, right? Then he found that the work is not, the progress is not up to the mark. So he has employed some additional men to complete the task in the scheduled timeline, right? So he has employed 120 more workers and the work was finished in the timeline, correct? Question is saying, if he had not employed the additional men, how much behind the schedule the work would have been finished? Getting it, everyone? Right? So just think on it, what exactly the question is trying to ask? No. What exactly the question is trying to ask? Guys, पहले ये मुझे बताइए कि question actually क्या पूछना चाहता है? What exactly? Yes.
How many days that 150 men?
Very good, guys. Very good. अगर 150 men ही काम को कंटिन्यू करते रहते तो कितने दिन में काम खत्म होता? If only 150 persons are working on it, how many days they will take to finish the work? And suppose that they are taking, let's say, 55 days. So 45 is your timeline. They are taking 55. So 10 days behind the schedule the work would have been finished. Or suppose that they are taking 60 days, right? So 15 days behind the schedule the work was done. Getting it, everyone? So this question is actually trying to ask, if only 150 workers will continue that work, in how many days the work will be finished? Guys, get the meaning of the question first, right? And मेंस में भी आपको जब अभी प्रीलिम्स क्लियर हो जाएगा, जब आप मेंस में भी जाएंगे तो मेंस में भी आपको ये देखना होता है कि व्हाट इज द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. यू हैव टू कैच द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन राइट. Okay, so this is actually the context of the question. Clear, everyone? Right? Now, guys, so obviously total work would be equated both the ends. So a builder decided to build a farmhouse, right? And 150 men are working on it for first 30 days. And then how many persons working on it? 270. 150 plus 120, that is 270. 270 are working on it for next 15 days and the work was finished. Guys, yes or no? The question is, if only 150 workers are working on it, in how many days the work will be finished? Guys, it is clear? Right? Now friends, 150 can be taken common from both the ends. Why? Because this is 27 into 10 into 15. So this will become 150. And this is also 150. 150 can be taken common. So here if you take 150 common, so this will be what? 30 plus 15. Sorry, 27. I'm sorry, guys. 30 plus 27. Everyone okay? 30 plus 27. And this is 150D. Cancelled. 30 plus 27 will be what? 57. Right? So if 150 workers are continuing that project, they will be finishing the task in 57 days. So your timeline is what? Your timeline is of 45 days. So you are 12 days behind. Actually, the answer is 12 days, guys. Right? Everyone, it is clear? The answer is 12 days. Correct? Fine? Not getting what? See, total work is this much. Why? Because 150 people are working on it for first 30 days and then 150 plus 120 more, that is 270 workers are working on it for next 15 days, because the total timeline is 45 days in which he has to complete the task. Correct now? Vishal, it's clear, right? Okay. Yes, all of you. Guys, any doubt? What? Huh? Second this? This? Okay. So here, like it is 150 into 30, right? And this is 150 into 27. Why? Because this is 27 into 10 into 15. So this becomes what? 150 into 27. So if you take 150 common, so here you will left with 30 and here you will left with 27. Right? Clear? Okay. Huh? No, we are taking 150 common. We are not taking this value to this time here. This we are not doing. What if we don't take common? So obviously we need to multiply everything and finally it will get cancelled. Right? So eventually it will get cancelled. So let's cancel it in the beginning itself. Right? Okay? Alright. Yes, everybody clear now? Guys, any doubt, any confusion, any query? Anyone in the class? Done? Okay. After that, I think this question is done. This question is also done. This is also done. And yes. Guys, now please look at this question. Just look at this question. Yes, everyone. Just look at this question and can you solve this question with thinking? Right? होता है तो ठीक है, नहीं होता है तो कोई बात नहीं. I am here to help you out. Can you solve this question with the thought process only? If yes, then please try to solve it. And if you are not able to solve it, then I'll help you out. And then we'll be solving it with the process also. But before, please try to solve this question with the thought process itself. सिर्फ सोचते सोचते अगर क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. Quarter is 1/4. Yes, obviously. इसको थोड़ा पार्टी वार्टी में ले जाइए अगर आप. Then he'll get to know what the quarters are. Yes. So what is the final? Yes. Final question statement is what? You are right. Yes. The answer is 100 more workers. Guys, just read the question. You have read the question, the story of the question. Huh? The story of the question is what? A man undertakes to do a certain work for 150 days. He employed 200 workers. And let's say after 50 days, he found only 1/4 work has been done. So now the question is saying how many more workers are required to complete the work in the given time. Guys, got the question? I mean, एक contractor है, उसने contract लिया, कुछ कोई building बनाने का, 150 days के लिए contract था. शुरुआत में उसने 200 वर्कर्स लगा दिए, उन्होंने कहा कि ये काम करेंगे, लेकिन जब 50 डेज के बाद उसने इंस्पेक्शन किया तो ही गॉट टू नो कि यार अभी तो सिर्फ 1/4 25% ही वर्क हुआ है. नाउ हाउ मेनी मोर वर्कर्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू फिनिश द जॉब इन द शेड्यूल्ड टाइम? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन, राइट? एवरीवन जस्ट थिंक ऑन इट. मुझे एक बात बताइए, इफ ओनली 1/4 ऑफ द वर्क हैज बीन डन टिल नाउ, then how much more work is required? 3/4 means जितना काम अभी तक हुआ है उसका thrice work is still pending. Guys, clear? मुझे एक बात बताइए, in first 50 days only 1/4 work has been done. Yes or no? In first 50 days only 1/4 work has been done, right? So suppose that if he has more 50 days, right, in actually he has 100 more days because total 150 days ka timeline is there, so actually he has 100 days, but let us assume for the time being he has only next 50 days with him, fine, and he has to get the thrice of the work done, correct? Then thrice the manpower would be required, right? I'm talking about if he has only next 50 days with him to complete the task, correct? He has to do thrice the work, so he needs thrice the manpower. So 200 workers are here, I mean with him, so he needs 200 ka thrice will be 600. He needs 600 workers for next 50 days if he has to complete the task in next 50 days. Everybody, yes or no? If he has to complete the task in next 50 days, he needs 600 workers, correct? But he has to complete the task in 100 days. So this will be halved. 600 will be halved, so you will get 300 workers. So for next 100 days, he needs 300 workers and 200 workers are already with him. So it means 100 more workers are required. Guys, it is clear? Guys, are you getting it? So just by thinking you can tell the answer, right? Now, if I want to solve this question with the process, right, then what the process I need to use, M1 is 200, D1 is 50, work done is what? 1/4, right? M2 we don't know, we need to find. D2 is what? 100 days, work done is what? 3/4. Guys, it is clear, right? So this will get cancelled, right, and this will get cancelled. 50 into 2 is what? 100. 100 into 3 is 300. So M2, I mean for next 100 days he need 300 workers, and out of that 200 workers are already with him, right? So 100 more workers are required. 100 more workers are required. This is the answer, guys. Guys, it is clear? Any confusion, any doubt, any query? It's clear? Anyone? Any doubt? No? Alright, good. And those who are sitting online, guys, is it clear now? Okay. Those who are sitting online? Friends, any confusion, any doubt? Yes, friends. Is it clear? Any doubt? No? Online students, guys, it is clear? So those who are sitting online, guys, you please responding actually. At least you please say yes, clear, something. Thought process से दोबारा कर दिया जाए. देखिए, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, आप ये अज्यूम कर लीजिए थोड़ी देर के लिए कि नेक्स्ट 50 डेज ही हैं उसके पास. है तो वैसे 100 डेज है ना. आप अज्यूम कर लीजिए कि 50 डेज ही हैं काम को ख़त्म करने के लिए अभी, ठीक? और जितना काम हुआ है उसका थ्राइस अभी उसको काम और करवाना है. 1/4 हुआ है, 3/4 करवाना है, तो इसका मतलब 3 टाइम्स वर्क अभी करवाना है. तो अगर सेम टाइम में उसको 3 टाइम्स वर्क करवाना होगा तो जितना मैन पावर है उसका 3 टाइम्स मैन पावर चाहिए होगा. तो 200 बंदे उसने अभी लगा रखे हैं, तो उसको चाहिए 600 वर्कर्स. 600 वर्कर्स चाहिए जब उसको 50 डेज में काम खत्म कराना है तब। तो अगर इस काम को 50 डेज की जगह 100 डेज में खत्म कराना होगा तो वर्कर्स का नंबर हाफ हो जाएगा, 300 हो जाएगा। राइट? क्लियर? राइट? तो देखिए जब आप सोचना शुरू करेंगे तो कितना मजा आएगा आपको। राइट? यस 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 करेक्ट। हाँ प्लीज बोलिए, कौन कुछ कह रहे हैं? और कहाँ दिमाग चलता है? कहाँ बाकी जगहों में? कह रहे सर मैथ्स में दिमाग नहीं चलता, हम बाकी जगहों पे आप जो है दिमाग चलवाइए हमारा। मैं देखिए गाइस ये मैथ्स नहीं है। आप ये बताइए आपके घर में कोई काम कर रहा है, आपने किसी काम का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दे दिया, तो ये मैथ्स थोड़ी ना है यार। राइट? आगे लाइफ में भी तो यही करना है आपको। अभी सही बता रहा हूँ, जब आप IAS ऑफिसर बन जाएंगे तो आपको सेंसस करवाना होगा, आपको इलेक्शन करवाना होगा। मेरे कुछ जानने वाले हैं महाराष्ट्र में, वहाँ पे आज इलेक्शन है। तो आप ये समझ लीजिए जितने भी ब्यूरोक्रेट्स हैं वो पिछले 3 दिन से रात में 2-2 बजे तक काम कर रहे हैं। उनसे बात करो तो वो सर रात में 2 बजे सोए हैं, हम लोग जो है अभी और सुबह फिर जाना है, तो मैं आपसे 3 दिन बाद बात करता हूँ, मैं आपसे 20 तारीख के बाद बात करता हूँ। दे आर टॉकिंग लाइक दिस। राइट? तो यही सब काम आपको करवाने होंगे वहाँ पे। राइट? इसके बाद कभी सेंसस हो रहा है, कभी पोलियो पिलाया जा रहा है। गेटिंग इट? तो दिस इज द टास्क एक्चुअली। राइट? तो हियर यू हैव टू थिंक लॉजिकली गाइस। ओके, यही सारे काम आपको करने होंगे। एनीवेज, शैल वी मूव नाउ? Okay. After that, guys, some miscellaneous questions. Just read this question, guys. This type of question they have asked once, I mean, this year. I'll show you the question also. Yes. Yes, all of you. Question is saying A and B working separately can do a piece of work in 9 days and 12 days respectively. If they work for a day alternately A beginning, in how many days the work will be completed? Okay. So all of you just think on it. Question is saying what? The work is being done in this pattern. A, B, A, B, A, B. They are doing in alternate manner, starting with A. Right? They are doing the work in alternate manner, starting with A. So then first A is doing, then next day B is doing, then A is doing, then B is doing. It is like going like this. Guys, is it clear? And what data? 5 days? Okay. What data they have given you is A can do that work alone in 9 days and B can do that work alone in 12 days. Correct? What is the LCM? 36. This is what? 4 and this is 3. So all of you, the work is being done in this manner. A 4, then B 3, then A4, then B3, then A4, then B3. So all of you just observe this carefully. In each 2 days, the work done is same, which is 7 units. Just look at this. In each 2 days, the work done is same, which is 7 units. Right? Total work is what? 36. Right? So guys, this is 7, this is 7, this is 7, again 7, again 7, right? So 5 times 7 will give you 35. Guys, 5 times 7 means what? Just look at this. 36 divided by 7, just write the integer only, right? Guys, integer is 5. It is 5 point something, just write the greatest integer here, 5. So guys, this 7 is what? 7 is representing 2 days work. 7 is representing 2 days work, right? Now 5 times 7 is what? 5 into 2 days work. So 5 into 2 will be 10 days work. Everybody, yes or no? So 10 days work will be what? 10 days work will be 5 into 7, which is 35 units. Guys, getting it or not? What I have done? I have divided this number with this. I have got the value 5. So I have found 5 days work. 7 into 5, which is 35. Right? So 35 units will be done in, guys, 10 days. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. 35 units will be done in 10 days. Everybody. 10 days work will be 35 units. So 35 units will be done in 10 days, correct? After that, 11th day, who will be working? A. And what is the work left for 11 days, guys? 1 unit is left for 11 days. And now A will be working on 11th day. Right? Yes, guys. So now 10 days complete and then 1/4 day will be more. I mean, so this is 10 1/4 days total are required to finish that task. Everyone, just tell me one thing. Here, A has started the work. Right? So you are getting the answer as 10 1/4. If suppose that B is starting the work, B A, then what is the answer? Huh?
1/3.
Then 10 1/3, guys. If B is starting. Correct? So friends, just tell me one thing. Can you tell me such case where it is immaterial that who is starting the work? If A is starting, then answer is same. If B is starting, then also the answer is same. Can you tell me that case? जहां पे order matter नहीं करेगा. ठीक है, अगर दोनों की efficiency सेम हो जाए, 4 days में ये भी कर दे, 4 days में ये भी कर दे, ठीक है, तब तो खैर कोई बात ही नहीं है. ये बात बिल्कुल सही है. This is a very easy answer कि अगर दोनों की efficiency सेम हो जाए, ये बात बिल्कुल सही है, guys. Any other case? हाँ? नहीं, टुगेदर नहीं करवाना है आपको. करवाना तो ऐसा ही है, ऑल्टरनेट. मैं इसी में पूछ रहा हूँ क्योंकि एग्जाम में ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. एग्जाम में ये डायरेक्ट नहीं आएगा इस तरह से. वो सोचेंगे कि आपने इस क्वेश्चन पे कितना काम किया है. राइट? यूपीएससी विल बी इंटरेस्टेड इन हाउ मच हैव यू थॉट अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. व्हाट? ये 70 आ जाए, ये 70 आ जाए, तो ये पर्टिकुलर 70 तो चलो इस क्वेश्चन में आ गया. दूसरे क्वेश्चन में क्या होगा? अच्छा, दिस सम इज यू आर गेटिंग 7, so you are saying this sum should be 70. The total sum is 70. Total is this much only, no? See, total work done you have to perform is 36. 70 here. So 70 is a very specific number. So how can you generalize that? I'm asking a general question. कि in such type of questions, in all such type of questions, in what cases the order does not matter? Order of workers does not matter. Yes.
Ratio.
What ratio? क्या efficiency? क्या ratio? हाँ. See, all of you, देखिए, मुझे ये बताइए, आप सिर्फ इतना सोचिए कि ये चेंज हो क्यों रहा है. बताइए जरा, आंसर क्यों डिफरेंट आ रहा है? नो, आंसर इसलिए डिफरेंट आ रहा है क्योंकि ये जो 1 है ना, ये अगर ये पूरा यहीं पे खत्म हो जाता, आप समझिए. राइट? आंसर डिफरेंट क्यों हुआ? आंसर इसलिए डिफरेंट हुआ क्योंकि यहां पे 1 आपका रिमाइंडर आ गया. अगर ये नंबर, इफ दिस नंबर बिकम्स द मल्टीपल ऑफ दिस 7, राइट? If this number becomes the multiple of this sum 7, then आप सोच के देखो, अगर ये 35 होता, अगर ये if this is 35, then what? Both the cases you will get the answer as 10. Yes or no? Right? So to get the same answer, the sum has to be the factor of total work. That's it. Or vice versa, the total work has to be the multiple of the sum. Guys, clear? Right? Please note it down. Yeah. Yes, all of you. Guys, is it clear now? Shall we move to the questions? Huh? ठीक है. So, all of you, whose phone is this? Oh, वो तो silent करो ना उसको. हाँ? क्या? पहले ये लिखा है, बाद में ये लिखा है. कौन सा? किनारे वाले. हम वो सिर्फ जो है समझाने के लिए बस, और कुछ नहीं. कि मतलब 7 का 7 के 5 स्लॉट्स बनेंगे. So 5 slots will be representing 10 days work. वो सिर्फ just to explain. Yeah. Yes, all of you. Just take question number 9, page number 274. UPSC question 2024. UPSC CSAT 2024, page number 274, question number 9. Yes, guys. Page number 274, question number 9. Just read that question, everybody. Page number 274, question number 9. Just read that question, everyone. Yes, friends. The question is saying X, Y, Z can complete a piece of work individually in 6 hours, 8 hours and 8 hours respectively. However, only one person at a time can work in each hour and nobody work for 2 consecutive hours. इस बात का मतलब आप समझें क्या है? क्या है? हाँ, तो लाइक ऑल्टरनेट मैनर में उनको काम करना पड़ेगा. एक बार में एक ही बंदा काम करने के लिए लाइक अलाउड है. तो ये ऑलमोस्ट कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है आपको, राइट? यस. सो गाइस, टेल मी द आंसर. दिस टाइम यू हैव टू टेल मी द आंसर. कर लीजिए, हाँ कर लीजिए, एंड ट्राई टू टेल द आंसर. फोटो खींच लो ना यार. फोन भी नहीं है क्या तुम्हारे पास? हाँ. Yes, everyone. Yes, everyone. करिए, बिल्कुल आराम से करिए, राइट? हो जाएगा. What? Ayan, saying something? Yes.
7 hours.
7 hours? Okay. आंसर 7 आ रहा है. अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, मैं देख लूँ. यस ऑल ऑफ यू. अच्छा सब लोग कर लीजिए पहले. हाँ कोई बात नहीं, पहले सब लोग कर लेते हैं, फिर उसके बाद लेट्स डिस्कस. 7 प्लस 7 से कुछ ज़्यादा, तो कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है? ओ बियॉन्ड द ऑप्शन पांडे जी. हाँ यस एवरीवन, बियॉन्ड द ऑप्शंस. पांडे जी को कोई जो है ना मतलब ऑप्शंस में नहीं रोक सकता. पांडे जी हमेशा उस बंधन को तोड़ के बाहर निकल जाएंगे. यस एवरीवन. हाँ 6 hours 45 minutes. Which option is this? C. C option. Okay. Guys, shall we discuss? Shall we? आपका 7 hour 45 आ रहा है? चेक कर लेते हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स इधर देखिए ज़रा, मुझे बताइए. अरे बस 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 पांडे जी मुझे बताइए ज़रा, ये है CSAT 2024 राइट. CSAT 2024. हाँ. सो गाइस क्या क्या लिखा हुआ है क्वेश्चन का डेटा बताइए. X Y Z. X6 Y8 Z is also 8. So guys Y and Z are same actually, right? So X Y Z, what is the LCM? The LCM is 24. 6 8 8. The LCM is 24. So this is 4 3 3. Right? Everybody clear? So this is 4 3 3. So all of you, the total work is what? 24 unit, right? So friends, 6 4 3 4 3 4 3, right? Everybody, X Y X Y X Y, right?
X, Y, Z.
No, if I'm not using Z, then what's the problem? Right? If I'm not using Z, then what's the problem? But I need to use X, right? To make the work faster, right? So guys, here this is 7, this is 7, this is 7. It means total 6 hours, right? Now in 6 hours, 21 units work has been done, right? First hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour and 6th hour. In 6 hours, 21 units work has been done. Now what is left? 3. Now if X is coming to do that 3 units, then he will take 3/4 of an hour. 3/4 hour means what? 45 minutes. Right? So guys, the answer is what? The answer is 6 hours and 45 minutes. Right?
So but when I'm taking Z, then how the answer is going?
Read the condition of the question. Just read the condition. क्वेश्चन में कहीं नहीं लिखा है कि Z से काम करवाना ही करवाना है. क्वेश्चन में ये लिखा है कि एक वर्कर 1 घंटे से ज्यादा काम नहीं करेगा, बस इतना लिखा हुआ है. अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. अगर आपको बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है तो मैं उसको भी क्लियर कर देता हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे Z से काम करवा लूँ Y की जगह, चलेगा? नहीं, ये कहाँ लिखा हुआ है कि तीनों X Y Z in this manner the work will be done. ये कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? तो मैंने इंगेज कर दिया Z को, अभी देखिए. राइट? हाँ? See, total work done is 24. So in any manner you can't finish the job with, I mean, less than 6 hours. Right? The maximum sum can be 4 plus 3 of any two. Right?
Sir, without taking LCM, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 8 ऐसे जोड़ के भी कर सकते हैं. I didn't understand.
1 by 8.
जैसे वर्क को
हाँ.
उसने 1 by 6 आवर किया है, उसने 1 by 8
हाँ, हाँ, कर सकते हैं, कर सकते हैं। तो ऐसे लेकिन आप जब करेंगे तो 7 से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा। Yes. So don't worry. Last question, you got it? The last question. We have just solved. 9, 12, 9, 12, 9, 12. See here, see in first hour, let's do only X is working. In second hours, let's assume Y is working. In third hour, let's assume again X is working. In fourth hour, let's say Z is working. In fifth hour, let's say X is working. In sixth hour, let's say Y is working. Suppose that this is the puzzle. You have to minimize the time and get the work done. No, see, it is 21, and when you will move to that, I mean 21 units work have been done. Now what is left? 3. Total is 24. 21 is already done.
No, what I'm saying is, why are we writing x by 6 times?
Okay, according to you, what should I write? You just tell me. And then you will get the answer, don't worry. Yeah. You please suggest what should I write.
So can we write more than 6 or less than 6?
See, more than 6 I'm writing. Like for 7th, if I take it 4, just think on it. Then this will become 21 plus 4 is 25. I have to perform 24 units.
So we have to make it less than 20.
No, exact 24. Right? Just think on it. We have to make it exact 24. Yes, I am. Anything?
So, sir, the sum, are you solving like 10, 10, 10, like the sum?
No, 10, 10 ले लो. लेकिन उससे क्या होगा? उससे मिनिमम नहीं होगा.
7
आपको मिनिमाइज करना है अपने टाइम को. राइट? राइट?
So we are just taking 6 as the.
Yes. We have to minimize the time.
सर वाई पर डालेंगे फिर तो 6 घंटे में काम हो जाएगा। एक्स अगर करेगा तो 6
नहीं, एक्स लेकिन नहीं कर सकता, ये बात आप सही कह रहे हैं, बट एक्स को 6 घंटे आप इंगेज नहीं कर सकते. यही तो कंडीशन है क्वेश्चन में.
But if the same question if it is asked maximum amount of time, then we are adding x, y, z.
मैक्सिमम तो यार देखो कुछ भी हो सकता है. मैक्सिमम की तो कोई वही नहीं. हाँ, मैक्सिमम तो हो ही नहीं सकता. आप उनको आप 2 घंटे के लिए कुछ मत करवाइए तो अपना टाइम बढ़ता रहेगा. राइट? मैक्सिमम की बात नहीं की जाएगी
सर
क्वेश्चन में.
इसमें मिनिमम ये मैक्सिमम अगर वो नहीं करता बात नहीं करता तो ये 7 आवर्स की
आपसे अगर डायरेक्ट ये कहा जाता, आप समझिए, अगर डायरेक्ट ये कहा जाता कि तीनों वर्कर्स ऑल्टरनेटली 1 घंटे के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ अगर इतना बोला जाता तो एक्स वाई जेड हम करवाते. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कहा है उन्होंने. ये आपके ऊपर छोड़ दिया है. और यही तो क्वेश्चन की ब्यूटी है. कोई लाइक अगर आप यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे अगर आप y को डाल देंगे या z को डाल देंगे तो आंसर 7 भी आ सकता है. इधर देखिए, इफ यू आर पुटिंग z ओवर हियर देन 3 हो जाएगा. 3 चाहिए आपको अभी. 21 के बाद यूनिट 3. सो इफ यू टेक z then you will get what? You will get 7, exact 7, and exact 7 is also given in the option. Just look at this. Exact 7 is also given in the option, right? तो यही तो ब्यूटी है इस क्वेश्चन की. हाँ, ठीक है, वो भी सही है, कोई बात नहीं, वो भी ठीक है, चलता है. एग्जाम में आपका आंसर सही हो जाए चाहे जैसे हो. आपको मैं एक बात बताता हूँ, एक स्टूडेंट उसका गलती से उसका पेपर जमा हो गया, उसका OMR उसके पास रह गया, उसने 2 आंसर और मार्क कर दिया, दोनों सही हो गया. ठीक है, ऐसा भी हो गया एक बार. तो ऐसा भी हो जाता है गाइस. और आप समझिए उसका प्रीलिम्स क्लियर हो गया. क्या आपके साथ भी हुआ है क्या? वैशाली सेम. नहीं, ऐसा हुआ है कई लोगों के साथ कि उन्होंने पेपर बंद कर दिया, छोड़ो यार बस कलर करते जा रहे हैं. They got it right.
सही करके वो हमेशा गलत हो जाता है.
इतना ही साथ देने से तो फॉर्म भरने की क्या जरूरत है. लेटरल पहुंच जाएगा.
Yes, lateral entry से पहुंच जाएंगे. So guys, is it clear now? Shall we remove? हाँ. Okay, चलिए. After that, let's do some more questions. See guys, just read this question. everyone. Just read this question, guys. देखिए, let me tell you, in this question, fortunately the data is so friendly. 6 men and 8 boys can do a work in 10 days. Right? 26 men and 48 boys can do the same work in 2 days. And 15 men and 20 boys can do that work in how many days? Guys, मुझे एक बात बताइए, can you tell me the answer of this question just by looking at the data? Can you tell me the answer of this question just by looking at the data of this question? Huh? Just by looking at the data of this question, can you tell me the answer? I can tell you the answer just by looking at the data of this question. In the examination, I'll read the question and I'll tell the answer. हाँ? See guys, ये दिया हुआ है आपको और ये वाला पूछा गया है. This has been asked and this has been given, right? Can you find some relationship between this and this equation?
5 days, around 5 days.
Can you find some relationship between this and this equation? This is 2.5 times of this. So this equation is 2.5 times efficient than this.
I told it right.
Yeah, right. So this is 10 by 2.5. The answer is 4 days. Right, everyone? So sometimes in the question, you will get this type of data also.
मेरी चीजें हमें क्यों नहीं दिखती?
अरे दिखेंगी दिखेंगी मेरे चश्मे से मेरे विचार देखो राइट
एग्जाम के टाइम पे ले लेगा बस.
सो गाइस गेटिंग इट हाँ राइट यस एवरीवन फाइन नाउ इज इट क्लियर
Why are you dividing this?
See, efficiency wise, this is 2.5 times of this, right? So time will be what? Time will be divided by 2.5 because time is reverse of efficiency, right? Okay. So this is more efficient. So obviously this will take less time, right? Guys, is it clear now? See, if this is twice efficient, then obviously it will take half time. So if this is 2.5 efficient, then this will take 1 by 2.5 times of this. Correct? Pandey ji, what happened?
आगे को विश्वास नहीं कैसे भी.
Yes.
बस lateral entry का
Lateral.
पहुंच होगी सर.
Yes, yes, yes. Lateral entry के लिए तो yes आपको पहुंच चाहिए आपको. Yes. Guys, now let's solve this question, right? Now let's solve this question if the data is not that friendly. ठीक है? So fortunately here the data was friendly, so the question was solved. मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ, एग्जाम में सबसे पहले ये सब देखा करिए, ठीक? कि can we solve this question just by reading the question carefully, without doing anything. If the question is solved, then very good. Correct? अच्छा,
सर ऐसे कभी गलत नहीं हो सकता है, मतलब
क्यों?
जैसे-
क्या गलत होगा इसमें?
लेकिन यहाँ पे दिया है सभी.
मैं अभी करके दिखाता हूँ आपको.
सर दूसरा क्वेश्चन जैसे अगर आ गया,
मैं अभी करके दिखाता हूँ.
ऑप्शन वहाँ पे दोनों दे दिया कि मतलब जैसे इससे करना जो आ रहा है ऑप्शन अपने वाला मतलब वो जो मेथड से करते हैं तो
नहीं तो
गलत नहीं.
क्यों गलत होगा? दोनों का आंसर सेम आएगा यार. अभी करके दिखाता हूँ ना. राइट? सी गाइस, देखिए जरा. यस, द आंसर इज 4 days that we have already discussed. Now let's verify this with the long process. Everybody clear? देखिए, 6 men plus 8 boys. They are doing some work in 10 days, right? And the same work is being done by 26 men and 48 boys in 2 days. So all of you, M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. Getting it? Here, this is the number of workers in 2 days, number of workers in 2 days. Correct guys? M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. Right? I mean the work done by 6 men and 8 boys in 10 days is same as the work done by 26 men and 48 boys in 2 days. Clear everybody? Right? Okay. Now we will try to find the relation between the efficiency of men and boy. Correct? देखिए, do one thing, this is 5 now. So 6 into 5, 30 men plus 40 boy is equal to 26 men plus 48 boys. So guys, this is what? This is 4. No, 18. What?
It is 30 men, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is 30 men. I'm sorry, guys. This is 30 men. I'm really sorry. Yeah. So guys, this is 4. 4 men is equal to 8 boys. Yes or no? So 1 man is equal to 2 boys. Guys, is it clear? Right. 1 man is equal to 2 boys. Fine. After that, question is given this data or this data you can use for your this thing, right? Question is saying 6 men plus 8 boys can do a piece of work in 10 days, right? Then this question, 15 men and 20 boys can do that work in how many days? Everybody clear with this? Right? So here, just put this value, 1 man is equal to 2 boys, right? So this is what 12 boys plus 8 boys are doing that work in 10 days. So 30 boys plus 50 boys, 30 boys plus 20, right? So let me do it here. 30 plus 20 boys, 30 boys plus 20 boys are doing that work in how many days? Everybody clear? And friends, this is 20 boys. आप एक बार देखिए जरा डेटा देखिए. 20 boys are doing in 10 days. 50 boys are doing in how many days? Guys, अगर आप efficiency wise बात करें तो this is 2.5 times efficient of this. Yes or no? Getting it? Right? So obviously the answer will be 4. Right? देखिए कैसे? This is what? 10 into 20, 200, 50, 200 divided by 50 is what? 4. 4 days. Guys, getting it? So, like this much information, I mean this much calculation is not at all needed if you can observe the data. Right, everybody? Guys, is it clear? Please note it down. Yeah. Done? Any confusion, friends? Any doubt? All right. आगे बढ़े हम लोग. पंडित जी डन? डन? मजा आ रहा है आपको? हाँ, मजा आ रहा है. ओके, चलिए. So, shall we move, guys? अच्छा, अब देखिए. After that, guys, let's take one more question. इसको देखिए जरा. ये simple question है. All of you, just look at this question. Just look at this question. The question is saying 5 men can do a piece of work in 6 days, while 10 women can do that work in 5 days. In how many days 5 women and 3 men can do that work? Yes, all of you. करिए एंड आंसर बताइए जल्दी से. Yes, everybody. आंसर बताइए जल्दी से. Yes, everybody. 30? 30? No. 30 तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
So 5
5 is the correct answer. 5 is the correct answer. Yes, very good. देखिए, all of you, just look at this data. Question is saying what? 5 men can do a piece of work in 6 days. It means 5 men are doing some work in 6 days, correct? M1 D1 is equal to the same work is being done by 10 women in 5 days. So 10 women, the same work is being done by 10 women in 5 days. Everybody clear? So here, this is 30 and this is 50. So 30 men is equal to 50 women, correct? Right? So 5 women is equal to 3 men. Everyone, fine now? 5 women is equal to 3 men. Now, just look at the final question statement. Final question statement is 5 women and 3 men. All of you. 5 women and 3 men. 3 men is equal to how many women? 5. 3 men is equal to 5 women. So 5 women and 5 women, they are 10 women, and 10 women are doing that work in how many days? 5 is the answer. Okay, right? Just note it down, please. Note it down, please. Akram, what is the confusion?
Brain is not very.
ठीक है, wait for some time. पानी पिलाइए थोड़ा सा इनको. Yes, friends, any other doubt? Any other confusion? Guys, correct? Huh. Once again? Alright. See, 5 men are doing some work in 6 days. The same work is being done by 10 women in 5 days. So work done is same both the sides, right? Now, 30 is equal to 50. So 30 men is equal to 50 women. So this is 3 men is equal to 5 women. Or you can say 5 women is equal to 3 men, correct? Now just come to the question statement. How many days 5 women and 3 men can do the task? 5 women and 3 men. So guys, 3 men we have calculated as 5 women. So 5 women and 5 women means total becomes 10 women. 10 women are doing that work in 5 days. It is already given in the question. So don't try to solve it. It is already given. So there is no need to find that. The answer is what? The answer is 5. Right? It is already given. What? See, 5 women and 3 men is same as 5 women that we have calculated, right? So this is also 5 women. So 5 women and 5 women means total they become 10 women. So question is, in how many days 10 women are doing that work? So 10 women is already given, they are doing in 5 days. So the answer is 5 days, right? Okay. जितना मिनिमम आपको लिखना पड़ रहा है एग्जाम में उतना मिनिमम लिखिए गाइस, राइट? मिनिमाइज योर राइटिंग इन द एग्जामिनेशन लाइक इन प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम. Okay, all right, shall we move now? Okay, after that guys इसको करें जरा, करिए जरा. Yes, everyone. What's the answer? कर लीजिए आप आराम से. What's the answer? कर लीजिए आराम से गाइस. It's so simple, yaar. What happened? Yes. Yes. What happened? Ravi Karan is saying, sir, it is 2. All right. I'm getting one answer as 2. अरे क्या हो गया अयान? क्या हो गया अयान? मिमी आपको क्या हुआ? हाँ स्टक समवेयर? ओके. वैशाली आपको क्या हुआ? करिए जरा जल्दी से. 3? I think the answer is 3. Okay, guys, I'm getting one answer as 2, another answer is 3. I don't know what is the right answer, but can you give some insights?
So one man is equal
अभी यादव जी बताना पड़ेगा आपको, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा.
सर वो और लिखेंगे ऐसे.
और लिख दिया इसलिए फंस गया. अच्छा देखिए एवरीवन, गाइस इधर देखिए. In earlier questions, we were finding the relationship between the efficiency of man and women or man or boy. This question is giving you directly that data. Question is saying 3 men or 6 women are doing some work in 10 days. Sorry, 16 days. Sorry guys. Right? Everybody clear? So 3 men is equal to 16 women. Is equal to 6 women is directly given in this question. Getting it, everyone? 3 men is equal to 6 women, which is directly given in this question. Right? So everyone, 3 men is equal to 6 women. So which means 1 man is equal to 2 women. This is directly given this time. So just while reading the question, you can extract this information from this data. Right? From this first line only. Correct? After that, in how many days? 12 men and 8 women. Guys, 12 men plus 8 women. कितना हुआ ये? 12 2s are 24. हुआ ना? 24 women plus 8 women. ये कितना हो गया? 32 women. Just think on it, friends. 6 women are doing that work in 16 days. Then 32 women are doing that work in how many days? I repeat. 6 women are doing some work in 16 days. 32 women are doing that work in how many days? Right? So this is 3. So D is equal to 3 days, guys. Right? Simple question. Actually a simple question, guys. Yadav ji, what was the problem? हाँ
सब कर लिए तो ये लास्ट वाला नहीं आ रहा.
अच्छा, सब कर लिया, उस लास्ट में गड़बड़ हो गई.
32 दिन तो पहले ही आ रहा. लास्ट में ऐसा करना.
Okay. Maybe where you were stuck? You were stuck in the beginning? अच्छा, okay. यहाँ फंस गया वो. फंसने की जो है अब उम्र चली गई है आपकी. Yes. Everyone, shall we move now? Yes. आगे बढ़े हम लोग guys. हाँ. Right? Okay. चलिए जरा इसके बाद देखिए. ठीक है, हटाऊं everyone? Okay. The last one. 6 into 16. See, the question is saying 6 women can do some work in 16 days. right? 6 women are doing some work in 16 days. So 6 women are doing some work in 16 days. M1 D1 is equal to 32 women will be doing that work in how many days? M2 D2, right? Okay, everybody clear now? Chaliye, let's talk about the next one. Guys, just read this question first. Just read this question first. अभी करेंगे नहीं, please पहले पढ़िए. Try to understand it, right? Just read it. Done? Now, question is saying how many boys must assist one man and one woman to finish the job in 1/4 of the day? Guys, what is the meaning of it?
पहले ये देखेंगे कि
No, वो सब मत बताइए. I'm saying what is the meaning of it? 6 hours. Okay. But 6 hours का आप क्या करेंगे? अभी तक did we use 6 hours somewhere in any question? We have solved the question based on 1 day or 2 days work, 1 day's work. So how you will interpret this 1/4 of the day? पहले ये बताइए मुझे.
For a day, man, woman, boy, if they calculate, it is 3/4 is for man and woman and for 1/4 it is for boys.
Okay, that is fine. See guys, if in 1/4 of the day the work is completed, it means for the entire day they will be doing 4 times of the total work. Guys, is it clear? Right? So whenever you are getting a new term, just आप उसको सोचिए कि इसको कैसे डील किया जाएगा. अगर इसको आपने कर लिया, then you can solve the question. Else question solve नहीं होगा. Getting it everyone? So if in 1/4 of the day the work is being completed, which means for the entire day they will be doing 4 times of the work. Guys, yes or no? हाँ? Clear? अब देखिए जरा. अब देखिए. Everyone, one man, one woman, one boy. ठीक है. तो फिर इसको man, women, boy मैं ऐसे लिख देता हूँ. One man doing the work in 3 days. One women are doing the work in, one woman is doing the work in 4 days, and one boy is doing the work in 12 days. What is the LCM, guys? 12. So this is 4, this is 3, this is 1. Correct, everybody? Total work is what? 12. Now, I'm saying one man is working on this project, plus one woman is working on this project, plus one boy. No, how many boys are working on it? Nobody knows. But they will be doing total 4 times of the entire work in one day. So 4 into 12 is what? 48. This is 48, guys. Now put the value of M. Put the value of M. 4. Everyone, yes or no? Man is doing 4 units work in one day. Women is doing what? 3 units work in one day. And number of boys we don't know, but boy can do 1 unit in one day. So N into 1 is equal to 48. Guys, 4 plus 3, 7. N is equal to what? 48 minus 7, which is 41. So number of boys will be 41. So guys, 41 boys must assist one man and one woman to complete the entire task in 1/4 of the day. Is it clear, everybody?
ये जो LCM लेके सब 12 आया है, तो ये 1 डे का कितना यूनिट वर्क?
12 जो है टोटल वर्क है, 1 डे का वर्क नहीं है. 12 होता है टोटल वर्क. आयन 48 कैसे आया? देखिए, मैंने सबसे पहली बात आपसे यही डिस्कस की थी कि मुझे ये बताइए, इफ द वर्क इज बीइंग कंप्लीटेड इन 1/4 ऑफ द डे, which means if all the workers will continue the work for the one day, they will be total doing 4 times of the work. Yes or no? Right? So total work is what? 12. 12 into 4, 48. Right, everybody? Guys, is it clear? So here this is not important. The important part is this कि अगर भाई 1/4 डे में काम हो गया तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, पूरे दिन भर में क्या होगा. आप सबसे पहले ये बात सोचिए. राइट? Any doubt friends? Any confusion anyone in the class? Please note it down. बहुत अच्छे से नोट करिए एंड फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं. Done? All of you? So the only catch is total work का 4 times करना होगा आपको बस. The only catch is this. Rest everything will be done. Right? Like this is something that we are doing in every question. But this is something that we are doing it for the very first time. Right? Everybody clear? Clear guys? Okay, chaliye. Now let's move to the next question, and after that we will take one more question of UPSC and then that's all for today. So everyone just read this question. The question is saying 1 man or 3 women or 4 boys, right? So everyone, 1 man is equal to 3 women is equal to 4 boys. It is already given in the question, correct? They are doing the work in 38 days. If 1 man is working on it, or 3 women are working on it, or 1 boy is working on it, they are completing the task in 38 days. Now the question is, in how many days 1 man plus 1 woman plus 1 boy will do that work working on it together? Guys, clear now? अब मुझे बताइए कि what exactly you want to do in this question? क्या करना चाहते हैं आप? किसमें कन्वर्ट करें ये बताइए. हाँ, किसी एक यूनिट में कर दे, किस में कर दे बताइए, जिसमें आपको कन्वीनियंट हो. यादव जी खुश हो जाएंगे, वुमेन में ही कर दीजिए कह रहे हैं. यस एवरीवन, आप बताइए. देखिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सबको यार, लेकिन पता है ये एक्चुअली ना डेसिमल में जाएगा. एक काम करिए, आप सबको बॉयज में कन्वर्ट करिए गाइस. देखिए 1 मैन इज इक्वल टू 4 बॉयज, 1 बॉय इज इक्वल टू 1 बॉय, ठीक, एंड 1 विमेन इज इक्वल टू 4 by 3 बॉयज. गाइस यस और नो? हाँ, yes or no? Just hide it. 1 woman is equal to 4 by 3 boys. Yes or no guys? Right? Clear? Acha. So 1 boy is working on it and doing the task in 38 days. So these many boys are doing the task in how many days? So guys, this is what? 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4 by 3. 15 plus 4, 19 by 3 boys. Everyone. 19 by 3 boys are doing the task in how many days? Everybody clear? So this is what? This is 2. Right? 19 by 3 boys are doing the task in how many days? This is 2 and D is equal to 6. Huh? 6. कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ है क्या? कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ है क्या? 5, 15, 19, 19 by 3. कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ है क्या? 24 is the answer? नहीं नहीं, आंसर गलत है यार. आंसर ठीक करना पड़ेगा. 6 is the right answer. आप चेक कर लीजिए इसको. राइट? यस एवरीबॉडी, इज इट क्लियर? कैलकुलेशन में कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं है ना? देख लीजिए एक बार. ऑल ऑफ यू. यस, लास्ट वाले में कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ है क्या? लास्ट वाला स्टेप आप, हाँ, 5 plus 4 by 3. So this will become 15. 15 plus 4, 19 by 3. So 19 by 3 boys. Right? कहाँ पे?
और into 38.
बॉयज की वैल्यू
4 है और into 38 के 4 into 38 होगा.
बॉयज़ की वैल्यू
सर वो 1 into 38 लिखे हैं वहाँ पे।
oh one boy is not doing in 38 days, 4 boys are doing the work in 38 days.
It is 1.
4, huh? You said it. So guys, 4 boys are doing the task. Yes, I'm sorry guys. 4 boys are doing the task in 38 days. Then 19 by 3 boys are doing the task in how many days? Right? Everybody, yes. 4 boys are doing the task. Right? I'm sorry guys, थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया. Now this is 2 and this is 8 into 2 is, sorry, 8 into 6, sorry, this is 8 into 3. 4 to the 8, 8 into 3 is 24. So everyone, 24 days is the right answer. Right? All of you, fine now? 24 days. Yes guys, is it clear now? The answer is 24. All right? Everyone fine? The answer is 24. Okay. So after that, guys, let's take one UPSC question, right? Page number 273, question number 7, CSAT 2023. Guys, page number 273, question number 7, CSAT 2023. Let me change the color of the pen. So, page 273, question number 7. Right, please try to solve this question. Page number 273, question number 7. Yes, everybody, just read that question. The question is saying A and B working independently can do a piece of work in 8, 16 and 12 days respectively. A alone works on Monday, B alone works on Tuesday, C alone works on Wednesday, A alone again works on Thursday, and so on. Consider the following. The work will be finished on Thursday. The work will be finished in 10 days. Which of the following statement are correct? Everyone, this was the question of CSAT 2023. Again, what you are observing, guys, again, CSAT is focusing upon alternate working pattern, right? Okay, please work on this question and tell me the answer. Huh? One only? One only? Okay. CSAT is focusing upon this type of questions now, where the alternate work has been asked. One only? Okay. All right, I'm just waiting. Huh? Only one?
Yes.
All right. See guys, shall I discuss this question? Huh? Shall I discuss this question? No? देखिए, everyone, इधर देखिए जरा. Yes. So all of you, the question is what? The question is A, B, C. What is the efficiency? I mean, what is the number of days? बोलिए जरा. 8, 16, 12. ये ऑर्डर ठीक लिखा हुआ है 8, 16, 12. Okay, 8, 16, 12. ठीक है. Guys, what is the LCM? 48. Yes. Then 8 6 are 48, 16 3s are 48, 12 4s are 48, right? Now, in which pattern the work is being done? ABC, 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 right? Okay. So guys, 6 3 4, again 6 3 4, and see. So this is 13, this is 13, then again 13. So guys, 13 13 13 is what? 39. Then 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9, right? Then 6 and 3. This is 9. Total becomes 48, right? Now guys, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, right? So just count them. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and 1 2. So guys, the total work is being completed in 11 days. Second statement is not correct. The total work is being completed in 11 days, right? See, 3 3 3 and 2. This is 3 3 3 and 2. The total work done is work is being done in 11 days, right? So the second option is, second statement is not correct. After that, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right? In Sunday also they are working. So on, तो Sunday को भी कर दीजिए फिर. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So the work is being completed on Thursday, guys. Okay. So first statement is correct while the second is not correct. First only, right? Okay. First statement is correct while second is not. Yes, everybody. The first statement is correct only. Good. So everyone, that's all for today, right? And after that, I don't think we have the questions now. Just let me check it. Yes. So guys, this is the practice material and test series. And thank you everyone. Thanks for the classes. So all right everyone, tomorrow we have pipes and cisterns. Right? Earlier I have decided not to take the class on Thursday, but based on your request, we have just changed the schedule a bit. In Telegram channel, the new schedule is there. Okay? So tomorrow we have the class of pipes and cisterns. So tomorrow at 10:30, let's meet guys. All right everyone, thank you guys.